What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I am the Dividend team. Today I want to talk about some more about dividends. I think I want to kind of leave off where I came off last time. But first, if you're new, subscribe, please like, and make sure you leave a comment at the end of this video. So I want to talk about more about some dividends, kind of continuation. I want to talk about a little about. So somebody the other day asked me about what do I do with my dividends? Do I take it out and do I reinvest it? Do I spend it? Do I just hold it? So pretty much the obvious answer is pretty much I reinvest it. I mean, when you reinvest my dividends, you're talking about compound interest. I think compounding my investments is a pretty good way to go, and pretty much it's kind of like interest on interest, you know? So definitely a good way to grow your portfolio and expand your stocks. So yeah, so rather than just take it out and spend it, I reinvest it and at a compound and let my portfolio give a better chance of growing. And so of course the more shares you buy of a stock, of course the bigger the dividends, which eventually adds up, and you can eventually buy pretty much another share of that stock. For example, let's talk about AT&T, pretty good stock. It's Robinhood. As you know, it's not like my main portfolio. I use Robinhood kind of just play around with and have fun with. But you see 7.1 dividend yield. If we scroll down, we can look at my dividends. Last one I had was February 1st, 54 cents. So these are paid out quarterly, and you can check out your ex-dividend date. I'll probably talk more about that later on, but for this one right here, I just want to talk about what I do with my dividends. As you see, with Robinhood, you can now reinvest those dividends back into the stock. So I only got one share right now of this one. So for example, if I had, let's say, 54 shares of AT&T, I probably would get about the amount of let's go back, of the stock. So I can kind of like reinvest that, and it's pretty much buying one free stock. And the more I buy, the more I grow. So yeah, I'll get more into this another time. So I'm gonna hop on real quick and just talk about what I do with my dividends, and let you guys know that make sure you reinvest yours and for more potential growth. So yeah, though, in the comment section, let me know what you guys do with your dividends. Do you reinvest it? Do you buy it in a stock? Do you spend it? So yeah, so like, comment, subscribe, and see you next time.